Benefits of ginger water. A healthy weight loss is achievable only through a balanced lifestyle. You should take a diet full of nutrients in controlled portions and the obvious regular workouts. I have talked about many foods and recipes effective for weight loss. An important ingredient of these recipes is ginger. The herb root alone has such vital benefits that you can count as a wonder. It is like a tea. Ginger is boiled with enough water, let it simmer for a few minutes, strain it upon cooling, and the miracle drink is ready. What makes it a superstar? Ginger offers its antioxidant properties, due to which it is used to treat pretty much every symptomatic condition. Ginger is a power packed with a world of critical vitamins and minerals. You may avail the benefits of drinking ginger water for the routine hydration, or you may make ginger tea or infuse it as a part of detox water. It is known to have healing effects on nausea. Ginger is powerful enough to fight against a number of fungal and yeast infections also. It has numerous benefits associated with your stomach. You may observe significant changes in digestive speed and in general gut health. It also prevents stomach ulcer formation, which is a big thing. Ginger water assists in weight loss process also. It regulates your cholesterol and sugar levels. As I always say, moderation is the key. If you like this video and if you're interested in more such videos, do follow me on my YouTube, Instagram and Facebook page. If you are suffering from any diseases, my Health First program is really going to help you get out of so many diseases naturally without medicines. With this, I am ending this video. Signing off, Sagar Mantry.